shall be talking about the importance of having a good death. A person who is enjoying life forgets that he will die. Death will bring an end to the pleasures of this life, in this world. We should remember death will come at any time. So we should do good deeds such as doing dhikr, praying salah on time, and giving charities. May Allah give us the ability to act on this.
MashaAllah, Jazakumullah khair. MashaAllah, these students are given the opportunity to build their confidence. So they come up, and it's not an easy thing for those who haven't done it before to come up and speak to an audience. So they're given this direction and the practice so that they can have the confidence to in future maybe give da'wah and speak to big audiences. So Raihaan spoke about death, which is an extremely important and not much neglected topic. We live our life we're just going through day by day with our aspirations and having hope that we will achieve this and we'll achieve that goal. And we tend to forget that one day this life will come to an end. And we have to prepare for what is the afterlife. That is part of our iman, to believe that the afterlife exists. So this is why this is a very important reminder. Just today, in the morning, I received a very sad news, which was a student up north in one of the Darul Ulooms. They went to a Lake District trip. Yeah, it's a summer now, so it's the end of year. People are going to trips. People are going to the beach. People are going to different places to enjoy the nice weather. And he's a 16-year-old boy. He's a student of Deen, just like yourselves, studying the Quran and the Hadith, and one day aspiring to become a alim and a hafiz maybe. And they went to this lake, and maybe it was salah time, and he went to one of the lakes to perform wudu, and sadly he fell in. And as soon as he fell in, most likely he was taken away by the waves, and he was lost. Eventually, when they searched and they found his body, he was no longer. He had passed away. This is news from today, a 16-year-old boy. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive him and give the family sabr. But we have, we need to take lesson from this, that we have no idea what is in store for us. And also that it's important to stay safe. It's a hot weather now. People are, and the holiday is ahead of us. We'll be going to different places. It's important, as long as we are, while we are trying to enjoy ourselves and appreciate the weather, to stay safe. And always be ready. A sudden death is something that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam always sought refuge from, because dying suddenly does not allow a person to prepare. So Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam always sought refuge from a sudden death. He said, "Give us death in a way that we are ready. We are prepared. We're in good circumstances." So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to take heed from this reminder.